Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a customer service chatbot using OpenAI ChatGPT in simple steps in nerDigital Chatbot marketing. All you need to do is to connect OpenAI ChatGPT integration and input your business information. First, go to Settings and click Integrations. Then, connect OpenAI ChatGPT. Input the API key and your business information, click Continue. Let's test it. There you have it. You just learned how to create a customer service chatbot using OpenAI ChatGPT in simple steps in your digital chatbot marketing. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.